So in today's video, we're going to take a look at how to highlight past or expired dates in Google Sheets. So in this cell, I am showing today's date using this formula equals today. And so you can keep that in mind as we look at these dates. So I'm going to go ahead and select these dates that we want to highlight, right click, and then under view more cell actions, we're going to hit conditional formatting. You can also access this through the formatting menu. Next, I'm going to select Format Cells if date is before today. And you can see those dates are already highlighting. And so at this point, we can check whatever formatting style we want and change the font color. And we could even add some highlighting like that. So once you have the style that you want, you can see now we have those in place. We could adjust this as well if we want it before tomorrow, for example. If we want it before yesterday, we can change it to after and so forth. Now, what if we want to highlight the entire row? So in that case, we're going to have to make a couple adjustments. So first of all, we need to change the apply to range. So right now it's only applying to column B. So we want to include this to column F, just like that. Now, we're having some weird stuff show up here because it's trying to convert those numbers into dates. So we need to go to our next thing, which is change this to a custom formula. And so our custom formula is going to be taking basically the upper left cell in our apply to range, and we're going to do a $ before the first column. So for example, equals B6. And then we can do is less than today. And now you can see it's highlighting the entire row. And so at this point, we can adjust this if we want to make this equals to, including today basically. We could do greater than today, greater than or equals today, and so forth, or even just equals today. So this allows you flexibility in what you want to highlight based on a condition. So to wrap up this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine this. So for example, let's do something like this. B6 is equal to today. And let's highlight that in a light green. And change that font there. So this would be today. And then we can duplicate this rule by clicking on it, scrolling down and add another rule. And the reason why this is helpful is it keeps that apply to range in that formula so you can quickly adjust. So now we could do less than today. And maybe we'll change that to a yellow. Then finally, we can come in here and duplicate this again and go greater than today. And maybe we'll change this to that color right there. And so now you can see it quickly and easily highlights according to that date. And so this would automatically adjust every day to format and highlight those things accordingly. And the last thing before I sign off is you can even use these with a number. So for example, you could do greater than today plus 1. And so if we look over here, so today is August 5th. So plus 1 would be 6. And so 6 is not being highlighted because we said greater than that number. And if we put that to greater than or equals to, then you would see that show up. And so then we could even adjust this back, plus 2, plus 3, and you can see that adjusting accordingly. And finally, the thing to keep in mind is you can stack multiple of these rules, but if they overlap, so for example, if this one's less than or equals to today, you can see this one's still green. And so even though it matches both of these rules, it's going to apply the top one first. And so I come down here, I can actually drag this rule up, and you can see now that this rule is being applied first. And even though this rule is true, it's not being applied because this one works first. And so just keep that in mind if you're trying to do multiple rules. Maybe you want to do less than today minus 2, something like that. And you can make it more red. You could highlight things in different gradients and use these rules to stack up and put them in order that you want them applied. All right, so that's it for today's video on highlighting past or expired dates in Google Sheets. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.